How to download and install Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to download and install Magento Commerce. For this tutorial, you will need to go to http://www.magentocommerce.com in your web browser. First, you will need to make sure your server meets all the minimum requirements by going to Product and selecting System Requirements. Your server will need to meet all of these requirements in order for it to install. Once you are ready, you can download Magento by going to Downloads and selecting Download Magento. Before you can download Magento, you will be asked to register. This is not required but recommended if you want to post questions in the forum, post and edit wiki articles, or report bugs. If you want to skip registration, click this link. Otherwise, enter a username. Choose a screen name. Enter a password. Confirm your password. Enter your email address. You can choose whether or not you want to receive newsletter updates about Magento. You must agree to the terms of service before you can download Magento. Click Register. Select the format of the full release you want to download. Click Download. Select Save File and click OK. Once the file has finished downloading, go to the location where you downloaded it. Unzip using your favorite archive program. You will now need to upload the entire folder to your server. For this tutorial, we will use FileZilla. Double-click to open the folder. You will need to enter the host name and your username and password. Then browse to the folder you want to upload Magento to. Now, drag and drop the folder into the directory. Once the files have been uploaded, go to your web browser and enter the address where you uploaded the Magento folder. Now, we will go through the steps to install Magento. You must agree to the terms and conditions in order to install Magento. Click Continue. Select a locale. Select a time zone. Choose the default currency. Click Continue. The host, database name, and username are entered by default. If they are different than the information shown, you can change them now. You will also need to create a database on the server before continuing. Enter the password for the database username. Scroll down. This is where you can set options like the base URL, administrator path, and secure URLs. Scroll down. Here, you can set session data to save in a file system or a database. Click Continue. In order to continue, these folders must be writable. If you encounter an error like this, go to where you uploaded the files on your server. Right-click on the folder. Select File Attributes. You can check each box manually or type in a numeric value. Click OK. Continue in this fashion until the permissions have been set for all the required folders. Go back to your web browser. Now, click Continue. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your email address. Choose a username. Choose a password. Confirm your password. Scroll down. Click Continue. Magento Commerce has now been installed. You can choose to go to the store front end or the admin back end. You are now ready to log in and begin setting up your store. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to download and install Magento Commerce.